Hi, sir. My name is Mr. Alberto Miranda. I'm calling you from the Swayampurna Goa program.
बरंडा जी।
It's not Brenda ji, sir. It's actually Mr. Miranda.
हाँ मिरांडा जी, नमस्ते।
Namaste, namaste, sir.
बताइए।
So, as I said, I'm calling you from the Swayampurna Goa program to obtain your Goa Bhumiputra status.
How did the Swayambhurna Goa program help?
Sir, the Swayampurna Goa program will help you to obtain your Goa Bhumiputra status. So, if you're an outsider and if you come to Goa, you can obtain the status and you can claim all the rights as every Goan have. You can also do illegal business in Goa in regards to business or in regards to property. Not only that, sir, the Swayampurna Goa program also links it with different kind of schemes in Goa, which will help you to generate a lot of money, sir.
It means that you have initiated so many schemes.
That is right, sir.
और इस योजना का लाभ लेने के लिए आपको किसी को पैसा वैसा तो देना नहीं पड़ रहा है ना?
Nahi, sir. At this stage, you don't have to pay any money, but I cannot promise that going further in the next stage. So I wouldn't be able to comment at that at the moment, sir.
बरंडा जी, what were you doing before?
So myself, before taking up this job, I was actually working in a school to maintain quality control for teachers. So I was to supervise them, and the end goal was to maintain the teaching quality.
तो आप भी मेरी तरह चाय वाले हैं?
Chai wala? Oh no, not that tea, sir. Tea as in quality. Quality as in gunavata.
Did your experience as a teacher help you in this new responsibility?
Yes, absolutely, sir. My experience in supervising and maintaining quality ensured that I had all the knowledge. So when I joined the government office, I started as a supervisor, then I was promoted on to a manager, and now I actually head the program.
आपने इतनी वैरायटी बता दी, लेकिन ये नहीं बताया कि इनकम कितनी होती है।
Income, sir, over the table as per the salary, but under the table, as you can understand. So, guzara ho jata hai, sir. So I'm going to ask you a few questions, which will help me to tick mark those boxes to obtain and put your application through. So basically, when you started your first job, how much money you used to make, and how did that progress work in terms of your salary, sir?
तो फिर बहन 10,000, 10,000 से 15,000, 15,000 से 20,000, 20 से 25,000, 50,000 तक।
बढ़िया सर, तो ऑलमोस्ट डबल हो गया। और लेन देन कैसा था सर?
लेना भी डिजिटल से, देना भी डिजिटल से।
Okay, so the next question, sir, in terms of creativity and innovation, have you done any innovative work?
कई इनोवेटिव काम किए हैं। कैसे कुछ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप को ट्रेनिंग दी, खाना परोसना कैसे, ये ट्रेनिंग एक प्रकार से हॉस्पिटैलिटी जैसा।
Okay, brilliant, sir. I'm going to ask you a few questions, general knowledge questions. Can you tell me who's the Chief Minister of Goa, sir?
डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी।
Okay, brilliant. And who's the Deputy CM of Goa?
गोवा के डिप्टी सीएम श्री मनोहर अजगांवकर जी।
Actually, Goa has two Deputy CMs, sir. Can you name the other?
डिप्टी सीएम श्री चंद्रकांत केवलेकर जी।
Okay, can you also tell me when do we celebrate India's Independence Day, sir?
15 अगस्त को।
Okay, brilliant. Can you also name two festivals we celebrate in India?
दिवाली, क्रिसमस।
Okay, brilliant, sir. Now, in few words, can you describe Goa?
गोवा यानी आनंद,
Okay.
गोवा यानी प्रकृति,
Okay, Prakriti.
गोवा यानी टूरिज्म।
Okay, tourism.
लेकिन आज ये भी कहूंगा कि गोवा यानी विकास का नया मॉडल,
Okay.
गोवा यानी सामूहिक प्रयासों का प्रतिबिंब,
Okay.
गोवा यानी पंचायत से लेकर प्रशासन तक विकास के लिए एकजुटता।
Okay, brilliant, sir. The next one will be, can you just confirm to me two skills which you have?
कंप्यूटर एक्सपर्ट, फुटबॉल के शानदार खिलाड़ी।
आप भी फुटबॉल खेलते हैं सर?
मैं गोवा की बात करूं और फुटबॉल की बात ना करूं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। फुटबॉल के लिए गोवा की दीवानगी कुछ अलग ही है। फुटबॉल का गोवा में क्रेज अलग है। फुटबॉल में चाहे डिफेंस हो या फॉरवर्ड, सभी गोल ओरिएंटेड होते हैं। किसी को गोल बचाना है तो किसी को गोल करना है।
Okay, great, sir. Now I'm going to ask you a couple of international questions. Can you tell me the capital of Indonesia? Okay. Capital of Malaysia? No problem. Capital of Sri Lanka? I'll take that as a no. Okay, perfect. The application is almost done, sir. This will be your very last question to confirm your authenticity as a Goan. In order to confirm this, can you say a few words in the local language in Goa, which is Konkani?
तुमच्यासारखा धडपड करपी लोकांक लागून गोंय राज्याच्यो गरजो गोंयांतच भागपाक सुरू जाल्यात ही खोशयेची गजाल आसा.
Okay, that will do, sir. I will now submit this application for you, sir. So within 5 to 7 working days, the status of your application will be sent to you in the post. And in the next 2 or 3 working days, they hang us in Galia Waitale. Okay, thank you very much for your time and patience, sir. You have a lovely day and don't forget to drink your tea, sir.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
करा ती पेज ही खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात तुम्ही प्रमोट करात, तुमच्या व्हॉट्सॲप ग्रुपाचेर घालात. हांव ती पेजूय आत्तां तुमकां स्क्रिनीचेर दाखयता. ती पेज खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात प्रमोट करा.
मैं भी बैठा मस्ती में, खड़ी है बिहाइंड तो फिर आग लगी बस्ती में. बेबी आर यू फाइन, सिप करूं वाइन, तू तो इतनी हॉट है मैं क्रॉस करूं लाइन. वो करना चाहती ग्राइंड, मैं भी बैठा मस्ती में, खड़ी है बिहाइंड तो फिर आग लगी बस्ती में. बेबी आर यू फाइन, सिप करूं वाइन, तू तो इतनी हॉट है मैं क्रॉस करूं लाइन.